Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mahjong racks is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Mahjong enthusiast. These racks not only keep your tiles organized but also enhance the overall gameplay experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Mahjong racks with pushers, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect set for your game nights. Number 5. Acrylic Mahjong Rack and Pusher Combo, Set of 4. Introducing the Acrylic Mahjong Rack and Pusher Combo. It comes in 4 elegant colors: blue, green, yellow, and red. This makes it a beautiful addition to any Mahjong set. This all-in-one rack and pusher are perfectly attached. You don't have to worry about it falling apart easily. It's designed for durability and ease of use. No assembly is required, making it easy and convenient to use. Simply set it up and start playing. It's designed to enhance your Mahjong experience. You'll receive a set of 4 American Mahjong racks and pushers. Each set includes a different color: green, blue, pink, and yellow. Get ready to enjoy your game. The rack and pusher combo is perfectly sized for your Mahjong tiles. It measures 18.7 by 3.2 by 1.2 inches. It is the perfect accessory for your game. What we like? This rack set comes in 4 vibrant colors, adding a touch of elegance to your game. The all-in-one design means no more fumbling with separate pieces. If you're looking for a hassle-free, stylish upgrade to your Mahjong setup, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to use and adds a pop of color to your game nights. What people say? These racks with pushers are perfect. Great fit to my old Mahjong set. I had no pushers on the old racks and these work very well. These are good, functional racks with attached pushers. The pushers have strong hinges. Work great. Number 4. Yellow Mountain 18-inch Pine Mahjong Racks with Pushers. Introducing the Yellow Mountain Imports Mahjong Racks. This set is a perfect upgrade to your existing set or a custom build. It's designed to enhance your game. Crafted from solid pine, these racks feature smooth edges and a natural finish. They are designed with modern features. You'll love the quality and feel. This set includes detachable pushers with hidden magnets. They attach to the top for storage and the back for building walls. It makes setup and gameplay a breeze. Each rack pusher combo measures 18.2 by 2.4 by 1 inches. It provides ample space for organizing your tiles. It's the perfect size for comfortable play. Please note that tiles and other accessories are not included. The complete set weighs 2.2 pounds. It's an ideal gift for Mahjong lovers. These racks are a great upgrade to any Mahjong set. Give the gift of organized and stylish gameplay with this set. What we like? Made from natural pine, this set offers a classic look and feel. The detachable pushers with hidden magnets are a clever design. If you are looking to upgrade your current Mahjong set with a touch of elegance and functionality, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who appreciate quality and a seamless gaming experience. What people say? These pushers are nice quality and easy to use. They are attractive and sturdy. Much nicer than the multicolored plastic racks included with a number of American Mahjong sets. The magnets used to hold the pushers in place during storage and play are really nice, with just the right amount of strength to hold them in place, along with exposed sets. Love the magnetic pusher that attaches to top or side of rack. Beautiful finish. Number 3. Yellow Mountain 18-inch Mahjong Racks, Set of 4. These racks are crafted from solid dark pine, featuring smooth edges. It's a chic upgrade to any existing Mahjong set, adding a touch of elegance to the game. The built-in pushers with hidden magnets are a game changer. They attach to the top for storage and the back for building walls, making gameplay smoother. Each rack pusher combo measures 18.2 by 2.4 by 1 inch, providing ample space for organizing your winning hands. It's designed to accommodate standard Mahjong tiles. Please note that tiles and other accessories are not included. This set focuses on enhancing your existing game setup with these essential racks. This set is an ideal gift for Mahjong lovers. It's a practical and stylish upgrade or a great addition as spare racks, enhancing their overall gaming experience. What we like? Crafted from dark pine, this set adds a touch of sophistication to your game. The built-in pushers with hidden magnets are a convenient feature. If you like a modern and chic aesthetic, this set is designed for you. It's a stylish upgrade that enhances both the look and feel of your mahjong sessions. What people say. These pushers are nice quality and easy to use. They are attractive and sturdy. Much nicer than the multicolored plastic racks included with a number of American mahjong sets. The magnets used to hold the pushers in place during storage and play are really nice, with just the right amount of strength to hold them in place, along with exposed sets. Love the magnetic pusher that attaches to top or side of rack. Beautiful finish. Number 2. American Mahjong All-in-One Tile Rack and Pusher, set of 4. Introducing the American Mahjong All-in-One Tile Rack and Pusher. This set of 4 racks and pushers is designed for convenience and ease of use. It's perfect for your next game night. The racks and pushers come in a translucent 4-color design. The set is made of durable and clear acrylic. This design adds a touch of elegance to the game. The rack and pusher are permanently attached, eliminating the need for assembly or disassembly. This feature provides added convenience, so you can focus on the game. The pusher swings out to push out your wall, just like the old style. It functions exactly the same, making it easy to set up your game. Made of durable and clear acrylic, this set is built to last. It provides a clear view of your tiles while ensuring long-lasting use. Please note that this all-in-one version does not include a metal clip for money chips. If you need this feature, consider the older style racks instead. What we like. This set features a durable acrylic construction with an all-in-one design for added convenience. The pusher swings out smoothly, just like the traditional racks. If you want a simple, easy-to-use rack and pusher set, you should consider this. It's perfect for players who value ease of use and durability. What people say. Bought these to replace some well-used ones that came with my set. I love that the pushers are attached to the racks. I got these as a gift for a group that uses an old set without the hinged wall pusher. Everyone was really grateful for this new style. I like the colors and the built-in pushers are very handy. Number 1. Juvale Dominoes Holder Set of 4 Wooden Trays. Introducing the Juvale Dominoes Holders. These wooden trays blend functionality with elegance. They securely hold your game pieces, enhancing your gaming experience. Keep your game area tidy with these domino racks. They minimize disruptions during play. Their design helps prevent spills, letting you focus on the game. Crafted from natural unfinished wood, this set offers customization possibilities. Personalize them to match your style. Make them a unique addition to your game accessories. Each holder measures 13 inches long, providing ample space for dominoes. They fit seamlessly into any game night, casual or formal. Perfect for Mexican train and mahjong enthusiasts. These holders elevate any game night. They make thoughtful gifts for lovers of classic tile games. What we like. These wooden trays are perfect for keeping your tiles organized. The natural wood allows for customization, letting you personalize them to your liking. If you like to have a tidy game area and enjoy customizing your accessories, you should consider this. It's a great addition to your game night, enhancing both organization and style. What people say. Perfect for dominoes, will hold 10 tiles if set on end. It works as intended, allowing you to organize and hold your dominoes. This item is great. We enjoy dominoes and these items are perfect. It hides what dominoes you have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.